Good morning mga karon. It's happy blessed Sunday everyone. Look at that princess. Say hi.
Lenny,
Hi
say
to my vlog, Lenny.
Say hi.
Hi. So yun, we are going to the park. Okay?
Going to the park.
Oh. Yeah.
There's a little one there. Hi.
She is our princess Lenny. The sassy princess.
The sassy princess. Are you a sassy princess? Lenny, don't.
You're in the vlog.
Be a good girl.
Breeds. Yan mga karon, malapit na kami dito sa Napani Park.
Bawal ka pa
Bawal.
pumunta dyan.
Dito, pwede?
Hindi. Ay, mali pala ako ng ano. Sige. Punta ka na lang dito. Kilabi. Ba't magpapaliko ka? Nakalimutan ko one way pala doon. Sorry, Itay. Tagal ko nang hindi nakapunta sa park eh.
Karon, nandito na kami sa park.
Yes. Lane is gonna play and
Walking. Look at that. Nice, eh? Palaruan para sa mga bata. Ayan, tapos may water splash. That, she's happy princess Lenny. Dito tayo sa park ngayon mga karon. Nag-change lang ng damit ang aming kasamang bata para maligo doon sa water splash. Diba? Tamang chill. Sunday. Sunday. Nakapalit na siya ng pampaligo. Sarap maligo dito. Dito mismo ito sa park. Tamang-tama, mainit ang panahon. Mga kawan.
I can't over there. Let's go. You want to go on that one? Okay, let's go.
She's so very happy. Enjoy na enjoy ang batang makulit.
Rainy, look! It's on! Ooh! Merong mga ayaw ng ganyan. How do you get on? You want to press the sunflower? I think if you press the button there.
Nag-enjoy ang aming alaga, ang aming princess. Look at that. Ganito yung summer.
I know. Ang pagod, kumain.
Kumain. Ayun, no? Yeah. Dito kami hanggang mga what time?
Until my nap time, like around 2.
And we're going to the Pardo's house
We're going to Tita Connie's house to have lunch.
to have lunch.
But
Yeah.
we can buy some Burger King, like chicken nuggets and fries. You want that?
So yun nga mga karon, nandito lang kami sa park para malibang naman yung batang alaga ni Mrs. Nandito lang kami ngayon Sunday, parang pinaka-date na rin. Diba? Simpleng date na naman namin ni Mrs. Piling lang natin maging masaya mga karon. Kahit na ganon ka ganda ang views ng aking mga vlog, patuloy pa rin ako umaasa mga karon ikita rin ng mga audience ng YouTube ng aking mga vlog. Okay lang.
You want the blanket on? You don't wanna go swim here? Go red? Oh my contacting
We are ready to go home na. They are all ready. Nakapagbihis ng babaita. Ready to go home.
Let's go, lady.
Let's go. Yan mga karon. We are going home na.
No, to Tito Connie's house.
We're going to the Connie's house. Nga mga karon, tapos na kami rito sa park at mukhang napagod ang batang maliit. And pupunta kami sa Connie's house.
Have lunch.
Have lunch. Yeah.
Mama, look. Look my
Driving na naman mga karon.
You like the water park, Lainey?
and I like the butterfly. I like like that. I put it like this on my hand.
Mm-hmm.
And I can get it in the bandana and the rainbow.
A rainbow.
Yeah. It's been to the rainbow.
Dalpo ng aming alaga mga karon. Are you happy, Lenny? Lenny? Where are you, Lenny? Are you happy? Oh, she's not answering. Maybe she is tired.
More.
Napagod po ang aming alaga mga karon. Tahimik. na
What?
siya.
I want my mom and dad.
You want mom and dad?
You want mom and dad?
Oh, they're still in the horse show. They'll be coming home tonight.
We're almost here na sa bahay nila Connie Pardo. Dito daw kami magla-lunch mga karon. We're here na mga karon. And thank you for watching. Siguro dito ko na po tatapusin ang aking simpleng vlog for today.
Hi.
So God bless us all.
Yeah. Connie Pardo?
Bye.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye mga karon.